Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn on how to make a store. So first, you're going to want to press General Animation. Well, not General Animation, but you're going to size this down, pull this out, and then you're just going to flatten it a bit, and just for better modeling, you can just put it like this. Next, you're going to want to add a little wall like this. Copy it, turn it, and if you want, you can also go to the top. Freaking be easier. Next, you're gonna want to move this over here so it interlaps just a bit. Not just a bit. Next, you're gonna want to turn on the modeling. Go on this side. Oh, not really. Copy this again. Move it right here. Turn around. Grab this one. Copy it. Move it over here. Okay, currently now you have just an empty box right now, but we'll soon just fill it in. Now this step is only optional, that you just grab it and just fill it in. Like this. I'm gonna zoom out. Then just put it over here. Shrink it a little bit. And then just put it right there. Next, for the floor, you're just gonna basically just get a cube and just like smush it like that. Next, you're gonna turn this on, put it like this. It might be a little very bright, but then you're gonna want to go to material and change the material for basically everything. Next, you're gonna want to make a roof. Extend it a bit. And if you accidentally did a mistake like I did right now, just move it up here. And there you go. You got a very crappy mart. And if you want to add a sign, it's very easy. But I will cover that in the next video. So long.